my people, you don't set again, no. No, be small something. I know say most of you now, when I know this man, so one of this people my scream, yeah. Baba, you are welcome. No, be small thing, my people. Dino Melaye don't blow hot at Baba Uncle. What do you call? I say Uncle Tutu. Now so you take call am on. I go hear ram. Say Baba no go school. Say me Baba may he bring out a classmate. Say Baba no get classmate. Oh. He say Baba. I baby no come be say I too talk. Say I dey procode. Say I dey me for inside. Ma leave una mona for here for the horses mat. Waiting Dino use mate. You know mede to me go this turn tulubu upside down. You know make una arikate.
Yes, so I'm here to address our big uncle, Agbado Tinubu. You said in Calabar that Obasanjo is a failure, and you said you were talking about F11, F8. What is up with law school? We have been told you have no classmates. You cannot identify one classmate of yours in secondary school. Nobody have come to say I was in the same class with Agbado Tinubu. Nobody, no picture or photograph to show apart from the one you stole from Donald Duke and posted. And I was not believing people before when they said you did not go to secondary school, that you have no secondary school results, that you did not do no classmate, nothing. I didn't believe. But for you to be talking of F11, that you were talking about results and grading of O level, and you are talking about F11, you're talking about F8. Emilokon, listen to me. Listen, carry your Bible now. Hold your Bible well. I know it's shaking, but hold it very well and take note from me. Because I went to a proper secondary school, Agbado Memorial College, Okene, and I have classmates all over, everywhere. We want classmates. So listen to me now. Hold your pen and take note. And don't go and embarrass yourself again in public. These are the grades for all secondary school results, either WAEC or NECO. Listen, there is F9. After F9, there is P8. There is P7. There is C6. There is C5. There is C4. There is A3. There is A2. And there is A1. So, there is nothing like F8, brother. There is nothing like F11, kaka. Why? And you say you want to be president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and you do not even know the grading of results of secondary school. That means you never went through secondary school. And the minimum qualification for you to be the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria is O-level result that you don't have and you don't even know or understand. So please, Elo Joko, nonsense.
My people, sure not don't hear that for the horses mat. If I talk say uncle not go say may uncle bring out his certificate. Say uncle not get classmate at all. Hey, no be small something. My people, na here now for live una. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you guys. My people, I not gonna understand. It can't be like all these people that they use what they do commenting. No be small thing. Wahala really just.